This Gerken Associates property video is presented by Dave Dove. Looking for a condo on Table Rock Lake with views from every room? Fully furnished, spectacular 2-bed, 2-bath, 1,364 square feet. Condo, at Paradise Landing in Kimberling City. Features an open floor plan, vaulted ceiling, jetted tub, dual vanity, and 2-car garage. Enjoy a relaxing time on the deck that overlooks year-round views of Table Rock Lake. Minutes from essential shopping, close to Silver Dollar City, and a one-of-a-kind Branson experience. Amenities include clubhouse, workout facility, and outdoor pool. Boat slips on shoreline below development are owned and managed by Port of Kimberling Marina. 417 739 2314. Call to check availability. Why settle for anything less than paradise? For more information, review the details below or contact Dave Dove at 417-334-1892.